The golden poison dart frog, scientifically known as Philobates terribilis, is a remarkable amphibian species native to the rainforests of western Colombia, particularly in the Chaco region. It is one of the most iconic and notorious members of the dart frog family, and for good reason. These tiny frogs, measuring around 2 to 5 centimeters in length, are known for their striking coloration and extraordinarily potent toxins. One of the most distinctive features of the golden poison dart frog is its vibrant golden-orange skin, which contrasts dramatically with their jet-black limbs and back. This striking coloration is a classic example of aposematism, a warning coloration that signals their extreme toxicity to potential predators. It serves as a clear hands-off sign in the animal kingdom. The toxicity of the golden poison dart frog's skin secretions is what gives it its name. Indigenous peoples of Colombia have historically used these toxins to poison the tips of blow darts and arrows for hunting, hence the name dart frog. The toxins primarily consist of batrachotoxin, which is one of the most potent neurotoxins known to science. It's estimated that a single golden poison dart frog contains enough toxin to kill 10 to 20 humans or several hundred mice. Despite their deadly reputation, these frogs do not produce toxins themselves but acquire them from their diet in the wild. Their primary source of toxins is believed to be a diet of small arthropods, such as ants and mites, that contain alkaloids. These alkaloids are then sequestered by the frogs and stored in their skin, rendering them toxic. Golden poison dart frogs are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are known for their territorial behavior, with males fiercely defending their chosen territory from other males. These frogs are also monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds with a single mate. They communicate through vocalizations and body language. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of the golden poison dart frog. Habitat destruction, primarily due to logging and agriculture, poses a significant threat to their populations. Additionally, the illegal pet trade has put further pressure on these frogs in the wild. Fortunately, there are conservation initiatives and breeding programs aimed at protecting this species and ensuring its survival for future generations to admire and study. In captivity, golden poison dart frogs lose their toxicity because their diet in captivity lacks the specific alkaloids needed for toxin production. This fact, along with their captivating appearance and interesting behaviors, has made them a popular choice among amphibian enthusiasts who are dedicated to breeding and preserving this iconic species. Nonetheless, their appeal should not overshadow the critical importance of conserving their natural habitats in the Amazon rainforest. The strawberry poison dart frog is famous for its bright red or orange coloration, often adorned with blue or black spots on its back. This striking coloration serves as a clear warning to predators that the frog is highly toxic, a phenomenon known as aposematism. The vivid colors act as a visual deterrent, signaling to would-be predators that consuming this frog would result in harmful or even deadly consequences. Like other poison dart frogs, the strawberry poison dart frog derives its toxicity from its diet in the wild. Their primary source of toxins is believed to be certain ants, mites, and other small arthropods they consume. These alkaloid-based toxins are sequestered in the frog's skin, making them dangerous to touch or ingest. Indigenous peoples have historically used the toxins from these frogs to poison the tips of blow darts, a practice that gave rise to their common name. These frogs inhabit humid rainforests and tropical lowland areas, favoring leaf litter and vegetation near water sources. They are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day, and are known for their territorial behavior. Males can be quite aggressive in defending their territories, which are usually centered around a breeding site. They communicate through a series of chirps and other vocalizations. Strawberry poison dart frogs exhibit fascinating reproductive behaviors. After mating, the female lays her eggs on the forest floor, typically in a protected location such as under leaves or within bromeliads. The male then guards the eggs, periodically moistening them with water until they hatch. Once the tadpoles emerge, the female transports them individually to small water-filled cavities, such as the axils of plants or bromeliads, where they continue their development. The mother nourishes them with unfertilized eggs until they metamorphose into juvenile frogs. The strawberry poison dart frog faces various threats, including habitat destruction due to deforestation, agriculture, and logging. Additionally, illegal pet trade poses a threat, as these frogs are highly sought after by collectors. Conservation efforts are crucial for their survival, and there are initiatives to protect their natural habitats, breed them in captivity, and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these captivating amphibians and the ecosystems they inhabit. The green and black poison dart frog, scientifically known as Dendrobates auratus, is a stunning amphibian species found in the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, primarily in countries like Costa Rica, Panama, Nicaragua, and Colombia. These frogs are renowned for their vivid green and black coloration, which not only makes them visually striking but also serves as a warning to potential predators about their toxic nature. One of the most distinctive features of the green and black poison dart frog is its striking coloration. They typically exhibit a vibrant green color with contrasting black markings or bands, which can vary in pattern and intensity among individual frogs. This coloration is an example of aposematism, a form of warning coloration that signals to predators that the frog is highly toxic. The bright colors essentially say, "Don't touch me." The toxicity of these frogs comes from their skin secretions, which contain potent alkaloids. In the wild, these alkaloids are derived from the frog's diet of small arthropods such as ants and mites. The frogs sequester these toxins and store them in their skin, rendering them dangerous to potential predators. Indigenous people have historically used the toxins from these frogs to poison the tips of blow darts, giving rise to their common name, dart frog. Green and black poison dart frogs are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day. They are known for their territorial behavior, with males fiercely defending their chosen territory from other males. Communication between frogs includes vocalizations and body language. In captivity, the toxicity of green and black poison dart frogs decreases because their diet in captivity lacks the specific alkaloids needed for toxin production. This has led to their popularity among amphibian enthusiasts who appreciate their stunning appearance and interesting behaviors. However, it's crucial to remember that these frogs should not be collected from the wild, as they are threatened by habitat loss and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are necessary to ensure their survival in the wild and to protect the ecosystems they inhabit. The blue poison dart frog, scientifically known as Dendrobates tinctorius azureus, is a striking and highly poisonous amphibian species native to the rainforests of South America, primarily found in regions of Suriname and Brazil. These frogs are renowned for their vibrant blue coloration, which serves as a warning to potential predators about their extreme toxicity. One of the most distinguishing features of the blue poison dart frog is its intense azure blue skin coloration, which extends over its entire body, making it one of the most strikingly colored of all poison dart frogs. The vivid blue is contrasted by black markings on its limbs and back. This striking coloration is a clear example of aposematism, a warning signal to predators that this frog is dangerous to touch or consume. The toxicity of the blue poison dart frog is due to the potent alkaloid toxins found in its skin secretions. These toxins are derived from the frog's diet in the wild, which includes small arthropods such as ants and mites. The frog sequesters these alkaloids and stores them in its skin, making it highly toxic. Indigenous peoples have historically used these toxins to poison the tips of blow darts, a practice that contributed to the common name dart frog. Blue poison dart frogs are diurnal and are known for their territorial behavior. Males are particularly territorial and can be aggressive in defending their chosen territory from other males. Communication among these frogs involves vocalizations and various body language cues. In captivity, the blue poison dart frog loses its toxicity over time because its diet in captivity typically lacks the specific alkaloids required for toxin production. Nevertheless, these frogs remain popular among amphibian enthusiasts due to their striking appearance and intriguing behaviors. Conservation efforts are essential to safeguard the species in the wild, as habitat destruction and the illegal pet trade pose significant threats to their. The yellow-banded poison dart frog, scientifically known as Dendrobates leucomelas, is a captivating and highly toxic amphibian species found in the tropical rainforests of northern South America, particularly in regions of Venezuela and Colombia. These frogs are known for their vibrant coloration and distinctive yellow banding, which serves as a warning to potential predators about their toxic nature. One of the most prominent features of the yellow-banded poison dart frog is its striking black and yellow coloration. Their skin is predominantly black, with bright yellow bands or stripes running along their body, creating a visually stunning contrast. This coloration is an example of aposematism, a warning signal to potential predators that these frogs are highly toxic and should not be consumed. The toxicity of these frogs is attributed to the potent alkaloid toxins found in their skin secretions. In the wild, these toxins are believed to be derived from the frog's diet, which includes small arthropods like ants and mites. The frogs sequester these toxins and store them in their skin, making them dangerous to touch or ingest. Like other poison dart frogs, these frogs have been historically used by indigenous people to poison the tips of blow darts, which is how they got their common name. Yellow-banded poison dart frogs are diurnal creatures, meaning they are active during the day. They are known for their territorial behavior, with males fiercely defending their chosen territory from other males. Communication among these frogs includes vocalizations and various body language cues. In captivity, the toxicity of yellow-banded poison dart frogs gradually decreases over time due to their altered diet, which typically lacks the specific alkaloids required for toxin production. Despite their reduced toxicity in captivity, these frogs remain popular among amphibian enthusiasts for their striking appearance and fascinating behaviors. Conservation efforts are essential to protect the species in the wild, as habitat loss and the illegal pet trade continue to threaten their populations.